Okay, we are live streaming again. I completely didn't do that yesterday because I was really tired on account of the whole Ludum Dare thing. So let me just post this link on Twitter, and I'll get back into the live streamy soon. Let's do Gamedev, indie dev, indie game, if I can spell, indie games, pixel art, Godot, engine. Is that it? I think so. So now we just do say didn't live stream yesterday. I sure am today. WARP-TEK live Gamedev, baby. Okay, let's try that. Hopefully at least one person will tune in, but also maybe not. There's no way of knowing. So yeah, I'm a little bit less tired today as I was the last time I streamed, because I was very tired then, and eventually I just sort of gave up and stopped streaming. So hopefully this time will be a little bit more successful. I've got everything set up. Yep, looking good. How did you do on the Ludum Dare? I think overall it went pretty good. I'll actually, before I get into anything, I might as well load that up. Load up the Ludum Dare. Obviously it's still up for voting on the site. I'll put that in the, I'll link to that in the chat just because why not. Let's see, rate my submission with an arrow. There we go. So there's my submission if you want. Yeah, so basically it's very loud. I should probably have done a volume meter, but I'm just doing that, so I'm just gonna have to use the audio mixer. I think that turns it down on the stream. I can't actually tell. Okay, no, it doesn't look like it does. Okay, this should be fine. Doesn't make it overpoweringly loud. So, nice little epilogue or prologue. You have to dodge first of all. There's a little bar here. It's pretty cool. Eventually you're able to shoot. What's the best Linux version? Should I use Debian? Hello, Lily. Yeah, sure. Debian's pretty solid. I like Debian. I've been using Debian for a while, so I would recommend Debian. There we go. This game, another thing to know about this game is that it's actually extremely hard. Like, it doesn't look that hard here, but for some reason, like, myself and a lot of people can't get above 50% very easily. Once you do get above 50%, it gets very easy very quickly. It's just really a matter of actually getting there. So, yeah, that's something to think about, I guess. And also, you can't really take your eyes off it, because if you do, you might lose, because there are bullets everywhere and you've got to dodge them. And if you get hit once, you lose. Okay, there you go, just lost. And that's basically, if you get to, well, basically, if you attempt and you lose 20 times, then you, get a little cheat button, which is quite nice. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll just try one more time. If I lose this time, I'm not going to try it again, because this is not an Alex Plays his Ludum Dare submission live stream. Oh no, no. This is Alex develops WARP-TEK, as it is known on the internet. So there we go. Yeah, this game, dude. I think it turned out pretty well, honestly. There's some progression. I like games that have a lot of like progression in a short period of time. That's kind of fun. Like this one does very much. Ah, Jesus. Ah, damn it. Have you ever gotten into old spaceship shoot 'em up games? Like, I don't know about gotten into, but I have played them before and I've enjoyed them. Oh yeah, I'm done. You can play and get to the end yourself if you really want to, but yeah, it's not easy. Anyway, game looks fun. Well, you can find it at that link that I posted in the chat, baby. Alright. Oh, why did I get mentioned in my... Can you at least give me permission to see chat messages, to see chat history? I'll just take his moderator power away. There we go. 6. So yeah, back to this. this video game right here. Onwards, yep. Let's see. So this game has no musical sound effects. Games that ramp up the difficulty quickly are the best ones. They sure are, baby. Couldn't even submit my game because I never finished it. Oh no. I think you should have submitted it even if it was unfinished, to be honest. Like, you know, it's nice to have it out there. It's nice to have a little archive. You can say, hey, I did this for the Ludum Dare 42. You know, and then you can look back on it. You could say, wow, I've really improved. I don't know. Like, I know for Polar Protector, like, I didn't spend much time on the finish. Oh, damn it. I died. And this is what I was doing. I need to implement this. Because this doesn't, this is just this. So, need to fix dying. Bullet hell. So I don't know, what could I do for this? I could do like a, ooh, there's a lot of possibilities. Because basically what happens is that it like flashes and then everything slows down, you get black and white, everything's gone basically. Oh yeah. Is he still working on it? Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know, usually people do just leave it, but I guess, don't know. What's Two Brat gonna say? What could he possibly be saying? Let's see. I could do like a scroll in like a you died or something. Yeah, I could do like a like a randomized death message maybe. Something like that might work. Not sure. There's a few options. Ooh, there's a loud vehicle outside. Well, let me write down the options. Let me see what I got here, and you get to see this. Well, you don't actually get to see it because it's open on the other screen. Haha. So the options are the obvious one, which is like scroll in text from off screen saying you died. That'll be easy. That'll be pretty obvious, I think. What is another one? Could be like player explosion animation but delayed, so the player gets to see it easily. That might work. How would you compare game development in the United States to game development in the UK? I mean, it's pretty similar because everything's like on the internet. I mean, I think maybe it's slightly, they're just pros and cons, I think. Like, the UK government is investing in certain indie studios, which is nice, but chances are that's never going to affect me or like 99% of people. And in the US, you get like domestic access to things like GDC, which are big events the game developers go to, which unfortunately we don't really have an equivalent to here. We have Develop Conference, which is sort of the equivalent, I suppose, but it's a lot smaller, it's a lot less well known. They're just pros and cons, really. As I said, like, most of it is just online. Everything is just the same, you know. You put the game up onto the internet, and from there, it's like, it's pretty much the same. Explosion animation. Okay, so let's see. Don't know. I think that's pretty much. Yeah, that's pretty much the only option. Then is just to do number one. It's just a scroll in text that says you died, I guess. Don't really. I mean, I can always change it after the fact. Okay, let's do a label. This should just be something big. Let's just call it you died. I can randomize the message, I suppose. So I can do a little bit of like, oh, your spaceship is no more, dude. What if I want to become a Mongolian game developer? I don't know anything about game development in Mongolia. That's definitely out of my realms of expertise. So, I guess do it and report back. Let's do an exclamation point. Center. It's in the center of the screen. Perfect. Now we gotta do a font. Easy enough. Do small pixel. Small pixel, just really big. Something like this might work. Or I could do a fade in like Dark Souls. That'd be kind of funny, but maybe annoying. Okay. Sick. Then it'll become my realm of expertise. Exactly, that's what you gotta do. Do it. Let's see. So I guess I should get this and do this. Why am I putting my BF through this by forcing him to go to Mongolia? Jeez, I don't know. Have you tried like not making him go to Mongolia? Maybe he doesn't want to be Mongolian. Maybe that's just not up his alley. Maybe he does not want to be there. Oh, that's terrible. That's not even softened. Can't believe this. Okay. Let me just see how this looks anyway. I'll just die immediately just to see. Oh, wonderful. Boop. Boop. Oh, come on. Oh, you've never considered that? You should. It might be. That one might be for you. That might be the idea for you. Animation player. Wait, what the hell am I even doing here? Are there multiple animations happening at the same time, like this white fade out thing? Like, where's that coming from? Masochist Live DLC development when? No, right now, baby. Also, I mean, Masochist Plus is happening, so I'm not gonna fuck with it. I mean, maybe Masochist Plus is happening. Hopefully Masochist Plus is happening. I assume it's happening. But at the moment, Alex Carpenter is busy-ish. I think he's working on he's working on so many things at once right now. So I don't know. I mean, you should be hyped for this game. This game's freaking ace, dude. If I could actually work out where I died. Where is my... There it is. Yes, I must be activating multiple animations. Play, die. All this stuff is false. Ah, pulse. Ah, it's a death pulse. That's what I'm doing. Where is death pulse? Here it is. Alright, how long does this take? This takes 2 minutes to get fully down. So I guess I'll extend this animation. Well, not 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Extend this. So this is when it starts to get fully. You really liked Masochist? In fact, you're going to play it while listening to this stream? That's like consuming my content, but double. Now that's the patrician way to do it. This is extremely slow and funny looking. So I'm thinking I won't mess with this so much. I'll do this. I'll also make another thing. Or I will go here and I'll just duplicate the selection. There you go, on my live stream. Wow, you're live. Okay. Wait a second, that was wrong. I need to duplicate this selection. There we go. Now hopefully. Now let's see how this works. This might work okay. Quick shill, I did a review of Masochist on my channel. It's true, she did. Go check it out, dudes. Oh no, you don't have to. I'm not gonna fight you if you don't. Okay, so that'll be okay. I'll do a little you died and don't know what else. Let's see. You traveled. You I could do like you were X% of the way. Don't know. Your journey was X% complete. Maybe that might work. I'll do something like that. Okay. So I'll do it. This will just fade in, I guess. So journey %. I'll move the % symbol just because I don't like that being there. Your journey was, let's do 0% complete. Let's do auto wrap. So also put the font size down. Oh, I should make this inline thing again, shouldn't I? Because it's gone all out of sync. Let's put this back up here. where it belongs. I need to put the font size down, as I said, so I'm just going to do 16 maybe. Could be 8 even. That's pretty tiny. I don't think I'll do 8. And I think I will just put this a little bit down, like this maybe. So I guess this will just fade in. I'll see about that. I'll do this. You die. Oh, damn it. Okay. So I'll need to make this unique, which I forgot to do, this whole font resource. It's being duplicated. Okay. There we are, so I'll just need to shrink this down a little bit. So it's under 16. Your journey was 0% complete. I'll just look in the full screen. Yeah, it looks decent. Okay, cool. So, let me see. Don't mind me just drinking tea. Just hydrating a little bit. Just doing a little bit of hydration. So let's see. Your journey was 0% complete. I could do a fade in. That's what I'm doing. So I get this. I'll wait like half a second and I'll go for this to start fading in. Well, I guess I'll fade that in with the like reset button, I guess. Let's see. How should I do this? Well, all I have to do is get this modulate. Modulate. Starts off as alpha 0, and that should just fade in. Just like that. Real smooth. Probably should have set this to 0 alpha to begin with. But I didn't. Okay. Now I'll do that. Perfect. So let's see. You died, your journey was 0% complete. And I guess half a second after that I should start doing the button. Let's see. We just keep all this stuff in one thing basically. So tool button, reset. Let's do return to main menu. So I don't want it to. I want the player to fail kind of easily, I guess. Not sure, because I could either have it so that there's like a campaign that you dedicate multiple play sessions to, or I could just like, oh, you die sometimes, maybe. Don't really know. I'm thinking maybe a campaign with longer play sessions would be good. But yeah, basically, because I want to make this game £5 or $5. I think that's probably the most profitable price range for a game, like in terms of size and in terms of scope and actual affordability. So, not sure. Okay. Alright, it's fine. Let me just do 8, 16. I should make this into a proper button eventually, but I cannot be bothered. So I'm just not gonna. Well, I will eventually, just not right now. That'll be fine. I'm sure you forgive me. Okay, need to fade this in, maybe slightly offset. So this visibility should be alpha 0. Oops, yep. Then a second on, it should be fully faded in. How do political views factor into your position as a game dev? Is it harder to get a job being right wing? Is it harder to get a job as a communist? I think it literally doesn't matter. I think if you're an extremist, it's hard to get jobs anywhere. Just like have your views and just either publicize them a lot, and then people will like look at you for publicizing your views, or don't publicize anything and you'll probably, like, I don't know, like, if you're an extremist it'll probably be harder to get hired. You might get more like individual notoriety. I don't really know. I can't say that it's just like a black and white issue. I think there's a lot of luck to it in any case. Like, no matter what you do, there's gonna be luck is gonna be a big factor. Is the point? Like oh, forgot to actually set that to be properly modulated, or actually be invisible the whole time. Just set that now. It should work better now. Rocket launcher. Let me see. Oof. You died. Journey was 0% complete, return to main menu. Alright, so I should also maybe actually have that stuff move up a little bit, because that's kind of all looking a little cramped there. So let me just do this again. This is an exciting live stream. You get to watch me test things 1 billion times. You died. Journey 0% complete, return to the main menu. So I guess I should move this up too. I like how this stream is mostly me asking you questions. I'm sure your fans were annoyed. I mean, if my fans were annoyed, they could tell me themselves, but they don't. They're just silent. They don't say anything. Well, sometimes they do, but none of these ones do. These ones are not so popular. God. Alright, where's this? How can I disable this you win box? Oh, there it is. Alright, so how do I... Let's see. I just need to basically change where these are positioned, or how these are laid out. I can't really change the you died one. This one isn't being centered. Can I just center it like this? Damn it. It keeps going off center. It's trying to snap. I don't know why. Whatever, it's fine. It doesn't really matter. That's the point. So let me see. How does this look? Don't know. I remember when Alex Horatio was on my 4x3 of YouTubers. I remember that too, and then you took him off. I don't know why. You took me off your favorite YouTubers, and I think I'm still the best YouTuber. I'm a better YouTuber now than I ever was. How dare you? I gotta battle you. Gonna battle you to the death. I'm gonna battle you to the death, whether you like it or not. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna put out a hit. And that was a joke. Don't arrest me. Probably should make this button clickable too. Or I should make it do something when it gets clicked, so I'll just do something into bullet hell. Reset. Do a fade out and get tree. Change scene. Scenes. Alex Ratio is better than Jim Sterling. Alex Ratio is better than Mago Sigma. Yeah, both of those are true actually. I'm basically a straight upgrade to both of them. Alex Horatio is greater than Magos Sigma, 100%. You know that because I have more subscribers. That means that I'm good. Where am I even doing? Menus. I want to make a separate directory for this. Main menu. There we go. Alright, so now this should pretty much be working. I need to set the actual percentage though. So... where is this at? Here, okay, so I'll do get node reset. No. Journey? Oh. Canvas layer. You died. Journey. They should have text. There we go. Equals you. Your journey was. What was it? What did it say? X% complete. Was string. Distance manager dot percent traveled times 100 plus percent complete. Let's see if this works. It should show up on screen now, but whatever, this is fine. I'll do. This means I have to do a little warp first. Oh, everything's so slow. So I'll do one warp first. I also have to make sure the boss, like, because if you die in the boss thing, it'll kill the boss, but that just means that you also win, or you can kill the boss. It's not good, not good for anyone. Alright, so this should be very slightly not what I want. There we go. Ben Dean. Don't know who the hell that is. That's 4.97%. I should really truncate that to 2. Let me just do int. There we go. So that should be 3 significant figures. Ben Dean. I don't know. Over the air, the food guy. Over air, the food. What? I have no idea what that is. But yeah, this is fine. All right. Did I just make that? No. Okay, I think I did a little. But yeah, 6. So, wait, did I undo this? Why did that happen? Oh, I must have tried. I must have thought. When I press Control Z. Okay, it's fine. I got it under control. Everything's fine, guys. It's fine. Okay, so what else do I need to do? So I guess dying is, I guess, implemented. I don't really know what I should do with this ship. I don't know about this upgrade screen either. That's kind of annoying because, like, I don't know if I should just have like one big upgrade thing. That might get kind of annoying. So like, it's really difficult. Okay, I don't even know. Like, you know, maybe I will go back to items. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing, you know? Maybe I will go back to doing an item system because this upgrade system feels very restrictive. I guess if the items that you collect are strong enough and they're noticeable enough, they would be okay. It's just basically I don't want to get into the MMORPG thing of having like 1,000 items that you don't even know which one is good or anything. I guess that might work well with the weapon selection thing I've added. I don't know about this upgrades thing. I guess I'll just do that. Alex ratio is better than Weeb Trash Productions. You're goddamn right I am. Oh, I guess I'll do that, maybe. I should really think about that because go back to making Godot tutorials. Get the hell out of my chat, okay? I've had enough of you. That's quite enough. I'm not making more Godot tutorials. I did make a Godot tutorial like how many days ago? 6 days ago? Yeah, you can deal with it. You can totally deal with it. Jeez. Okay. I'm not gonna live stream Godot tutorials. If you want to learn how to use the engine, you can watch me right now. I'm doing it. I'm doing the engine. I'm using it. You can glean some info out of that. Yeah, fool. You damned fool. But I'm doing something right now. I just have no idea what. I completely lost my train of thought there. Let me see. Oh, forgot what my cursor was. I just said that I was gonna. Oh yeah, items. Your Godot tutorials are like heroin to me. Yeah, that's bad on several levels, to be quite honest. I think I disconnected all these. Oh, I didn't. I didn't even disconnect them. I just stopped. I just stopped it. What? Did I? I don't even think I did. I need one in more time than 6 days. Alright, chill, yeah? Chill. Give me... Today I'm going to upload devlog. Then 3 days from now I'll upload a... another video, which might be a Godot tutorial. It might just be a essay thing. I don't know, okay? Chill. Chill, yeah? How did I disable this? I have no idea what I did here. Oh wait. No, yeah, this should still. Oh wait, did I literally just disable these? Well, I guess that makes things easier to re-enable them. I think I knew that I wouldn't be going. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so far pressing E on them does nothing, but I suspect again that's because I've changed it here. I've commented these out. Damn, I really don't know how to do this. Like, I could do like a thing. Like, if you kill a boss, there's like a chance to get a cool relic, maybe. It better be a Godot tutorial. You might not find yourself in your bed tomorrow morning. You're gonna kidnap me. Are you threatening to kidnap me because I didn't do a Godot tutorial? Now that's not an adequate reaction. And again, okay, today there's a devlog, 16th. This is where you get your next chance. If not, then I guess your next chance is the 22nd. Either way, it's not that bad, you know. It's still like barely over a week in the worst case scenario. All right. Just chill out. Just relax. Just chillax, okay? Seriously, you gotta chill. You gotta chill out. Oh, great. All these. I mean, yeah, this might be a better idea. I don't even know. Like, I could spend money to, like, upgrade or purchase, like, upgrades that you can then find, like Enter the Gungeon, the way they do it. I've only adequate reactions, Mr. Horatio. Yeah. You're an adequate person. I need to make a joke about the adequate powers right now, because that's a joke podcast that we do. Not really a joke, but it is recorded conversations that we have sometimes, and we put them on YouTube. So, that's something for those viewers who didn't know that. What am I thinking? I can do... Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the way the inventory thing works, because right now I'm pretty sure it's generating fake data. Yep. So what I thought, baby, I need to do inventory items. There's some options here, but honestly, do not think that these are good in the way that they are. So, item types should be like, I guess that should just be like the upgrade types that I've got. There's a lot of those, and I can do the names and the descriptions, I guess. But I already have that kind of with the upgrade manager. Ah, man. It's really hard to discern between like whether upgrades or an item inventory system is better, you know? I guess because I want it to feel more like an adventure now. I definitely want it to feel more like an adventure. Maybe an upgrades would be better, or an item system would be better. It's like you collect these relics, you can equip them onto your ship, and that makes so you only have the weapons that you want. I'm buying a cage to put you in so you can make me more Godot tutorials. I can't make anything in a cage, dude. In a cage, all I can do is like sit. That's not productive for anyone. You're best off just leaving me alone, letting me chill, cutting me some stuff. You're also buying paper to make a ransom note for your family to make more Godot tutorials. They don't know how to make Godot tutorials. They have no idea. This is a really bad idea. I'm gonna say this is a threat, and I'm inclined to call the police. Item types. Yes, that's basically gonna be upgrade types from the upgrade manager. Damn, I already got all these. This is useless, but whatever. I've already got all these kind of activate or programmed, and I think somewhere I should have a case switch. They will learn. Yeah, shut up, dude. Yeah, I think it'd just be easier to use a switch case. They will learn to save their son. I mean, I could just make you the Godot tutorials, and I'd be better at it. So, like, you don't have to do all this. This is elaborate and terrible and strange. Don't know if I should just use the upgrade manager instead. That could be risky. It could risk things getting kind of annoying. You don't want to find anthrax in your mail now, do you? Look, if I guess not. Are you gonna send me anthrax? Can I get that on record? Because I think already what you've done constitutes a threat. I think this is already pretty 1 out of 10. Okay, item types. I should probably not do this anymore. I guess I should leave the list thing. This should just select a random thing. So, okay. Just in case I want to have multiple names for each of these, but I think that'll probably be kind of silly. It's possible, I guess. So, item names. I'll leave those anyway. Revamp. Triple shot. Triple shot. Fast shot. Chain gun. Penetrating rounds. Let's do railgun. Explosive rounds. What's this call this? Rocket launcher. I'll come to your house and burn it down unless you make more Godot tutorials. Now that's just not reasonable. That's just not even reasonable. And again, if once you burn down my house, I'll never make any more Godot tutorials because I have no house. So like, again, this is extremely counterproductive to both of our ends. I mean, you know, homing rounds, I guess. Can't remember if I gave that a proper name. Drones. HP regen. Let's do self-repair nanobots. Warp efficient. Economical warp drive. Oh no, this one is efficient warp drive, I think. The other one is economical. Economical warp drive. There we go. So something like that might work. And I think for now, let's comment all of these anyway. Then squid emoji. Good. Squid emoji. I'm glad about that. Squid emoji, thanks. Yeah, you are tanking my viewership, aren't you? Okay. Let's see. So item descriptions, I have to do all of this. However, item descriptions is pretty much, that's not randomized. This is just this is fine. I'll just add these after. Revamp. Triple shot. 3 times the firepower. Then I'll do chain gun. Oh yeah, octopus, whatever. Chain gun. Pew 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 pew. I was thinking octopus. I must have said squid for some reason. Like even just then I just said I was thinking chain gun. I'm a bit single track right now. Not very good at multitasking. Railgun. I guess I'll repurpose the you can't miss unless you do. Then I'll do railgun, rocket launcher. Let's see. Implosions happen in space, no matter what you say. There we go. That one might be a bit long actually. Homing rounds. They know where you live, and more importantly, where you are. These are getting way too long. I'll definitely have to see about text wrapping and the like. So, drones. A helpful friend. Self-repair nanobots. How is this gonna do? A myriad of tiny helpful friends. Efficient warp drive. Let's do like let's see, twice the bang for your buck. The other one can be economical warp drive, twice the buck for your bang, because this one you get more money. It's kind of a funny. I think that should be okay actually. Alright, let's see. what am I doing? What am I doing? Should be okay, I think. Alright. So, inventory, okay, so this will just set, wait. This is bad, I don't want to do this. Is there not something which also does that? Yeah, this is what I want to do. I don't want to run this in ready. What the hell am I doing? Yeah, Jesus. I'll just do pass here, because I don't want this to do anything. I don't want this to do that. That's probably part of why this is so weird. I'll do randomize, actually, since it does have to randomize stuff up in the script. So, generate fake data. I'll just modify this function a little bit. New item dot ready. I don't really want to run ready, but I can do new item dot randomize. That should work. It should do all this good stuff here. So that might crash actually, because I think I just typoed. Oh, cool, thanks. Generate data is what I wanted to do. Okay, this was definitely the wrong thing. Let me just see up here. Wow, we have all this crazy stuff happening. Okay, so I definitely have to work on this text wrapping, but that's not so bad, honestly. Let's see. So, prefabs, entities, no, menus is what we want. Select item. So, where's the text thing this is going into? Ah, description. So this should auto wrap, should be bigger. Hey, wait a second. Is this not letting itself go bigger? Wait a second. It's because this is in a H box. I don't really want this to be in a H box. Can I just change this to a generic control? This way I can do this. Okay. Let's see if this will work. Oh, yikes. Let's see. Can I make it wrap around this? That might be kind of useful. I don't know if I actually can do that though. What about rich text, maybe? I don't think this would be. This wouldn't work, would it? No, okay. This is not useful. Let's change type back to label. Oh, can I just undo everything? Oh, I have to do this all again, really? No, stop it. Oh. New dynamic font load. This should be the same size, which I'm pretty sure is 8. This one doesn't get very small. Now I gotta do a shadow, and I have to make this kind of grey coloured. This, I think. Oh yeah, it makes the exact same colour as the background. That's a good design. Alright, something like this should work. Yeah. Auto wrap on, left, yep. Seems to be in order. I think I'll actually change this to the small pixel font. To keep stuff kind of in a similar size range. There we go, come on. For some reason it only loads, oh come on. It only loads if I tab out. Oh my god, that is illegible. Jesus, that's terrible. Alright, I guess I'm changing this to be a bit lighter. Still really hard to read, quite honestly. I think I'll disable the shadow. Probably not helping. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have to do the update colors stuff, so I'm gonna have to do node title dot modulate. Actually, I'll just do selected info dot modulate equals color scheme dot base color, which will provide a bit more contrast. Oh god, disable shadow on this one too. This one should not be grey. That looks not good. 3 times the firepower. Let's see. That's kind of annoying. This one goes off the side. That's pretty sad. Oh, damn it. I guess I'll just rename that one because that's actually quite annoying. Let's see. What's something I can call economical warp drive. Damn, I'm trying to think. What can I put here? Economical warp drive, yeah, but what else? Like, what can I put specifically that's shorter than this? Honestly, this upgrade doesn't even make sense anymore, does it? I guess it does a little. If I put the... Oh, damn, okay. So, what I could do, I could put the passive items into upgrades. And I could put the weapons into the equipable stuff. That might actually work out alright. I don't know. I'm going to think about that, but for now I'm going to go get something to drink and probably something to eat because I haven't had breakfast. So 1 second. I'm back again. Alright, I have no idea what I was even doing. That's the problem with taking very long breaks to go eat food and drink tea. But it's fine now. I got my tea right here. And now I'm back doing this stuff. Yeah, dude. Let me see. I gotta do a thing. Okay, it's fine, whatever. What was I even doing? I think I was doing something to do with this inventory system. So obviously I have to make sure there are no duplicates here, ideally. I have to fix that name. But I guess that name is probably not going to be so helpful anyway. What if I just name it money, money, money? Can I do that? Money, money, money. There we go. This might be better, actually. Because this might actually fit into the... Excuse me? Oh. Yeah, I have to rename it everywhere now. Work? Yeah, wonderful. So now this. God damn it. Okay. Okay, you little shit. Let me, what the hell do I name this then? Money. I could just name it money. So it'll fit. Oh, come on. I keep forgetting I have to actually rename this stuff. Let's see. Seems to work. Oh, this is crazy. But it's fine. Okay, so I could put the passives to upgrades and make the actual equipables weapons. I could do that. Don't know if that's worth it, but I could. I think maybe I should just do the enter the gacha thing and just make like, yeah, here are some things that you can unlock to then find in the game. That might be kind of cool. I know Super Crate Box kind of has a thing like that. I'll see, I guess. I have no idea what I'm doing. It'll be fine. Alright. So, focus. Gotta do things. What's the first thing to do right now? Well, I guess the first thing to do might be like, damn it, no, what? I don't know if I want to do it like this. Because the thing is, if you do this, you can just effectively spam that. You can just continuously go to the boss. And you can get a bunch of items. I don't really know how to protect against that unless I gate them for journey times. At that point, it's basically just upgrades. So, don't know. I could just keep it at upgrades, but I could have like each core is upgradable independently, maybe. That could get really annoying really fast, but it might be okay. I don't know. Oh man, I don't know. Because it might be possible to get just like a really bad run, and that's not so good. Like if you just spawn and you get all the worst upgrades or only passive upgrades, then you're just like out of luck for a while, and that sucks. I want to avoid that. Don't know. But I could like guarantee that the player gets a minimum of like 3 weapon upgrades or something. Like maybe that would work. Maybe that'll be okay. Damn it. Yeah, this is kind of difficult. I'm not really sure where to go. I could do... Okay, well, assuming I'm keeping upgrades, I mean, I guess I want to do something with the power cores. I'm not sure items are the right way to go about it, especially given how this has been going. But, like... You get money. You can spend that money on I guess, upgrades of some kind. Don't know. I also don't want to make it too complicated. I mean, you know. I guess what I could do is, oh, that's an interesting idea. So every purchase, you get 3 random upgrades. 1 cheap one, 1 medium one, and an expensive one. That's a pretty good idea. I'm gonna make a note of that actually. Like, let's see. Every purchase, you get a choice of 3 randomized upgrades. A cheap one, a medium priced one, and an expensive one. That might work. I'll save this anyway. Save this. My file names are not good. Look at all this stuff. But yeah, okay. Cheap one, a medium priced one, and an expensive one. That will work out, I think. Yeah. Alright. So I guess I'll get rid of this whole system again. Oh. What OS to use when you could swap programs like that? Also Firefox that's bluish. Looks cool from the live stream. I shouldn't be reading like private Discord messages on stream, but it's too late. I have no idea if you're watching. I'm just going to apply the chat to this poor person. Let's see. It's Debian GNOME. The user interface is pretty good, but unfortunately sometimes it's kind of buggy too. I'm just too lazy to change to one I prefer more. Also Firefox that's bluish. I don't have a Firefox that's bluish. You shouldn't be able to see my Firefox. Also, you shouldn't be able to see my Firefox. Maybe you are referring to the Steam page browser or something. I don't know what that's about. Oh yeah. Oh wait, the icon. Yeah, that's the nightly version. It's cool. Okay. So there's only one person viewing now anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference if I just mess around. Okay, so it looks like I'll do what I was doing before and get rid of this stuff. I'll just comment this out. This whole system doesn't really need to do anything. This upgrade manager, however, should do like all upgrades. That's got to be a selection of 3. 1 from tier 1, 1 from tier 2, and 1 from tier 3. Yes, this is perfect. Okay. Okay, I should try that. I've been using dark background light text add-on. Yeah. Okay, let's see then. Hope Miles doesn't mind his text being read out on stream like this. But on the other hand, I don't think he's actually watching right now, so it doesn't even matter. Alright, yeah, my Discord server is a terrible place, don't go there. Let's see. So, tier 1 upgrade. In range 3. No, range 2, I think. Because like that'll be 0, 1, and 2. Alright, so if I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, just for the sake of neatness I'll do I is equal to 2. This should just do 3. I also have to change the way the upgrade menu works, because it's got a bunch of things here that should not be. I'll also move all but 3. And I'll do like 0 can be here, 1 could be like here, 0. I'll move them all in a bit. Let's see, let's try and align it to this grid actually, see if I have that option. 1 like this, and 2 like this. This should work out very nicely, or should work out like something at least. Hopefully let me just make sure there's no hardwired stuff in here. It doesn't look like it, so I'll just go ahead and try this out. Ooh, I think that's a crash. Yep, that's a crash. So just remove all this, since the upgrade, then these upgrades no longer have previous upgrades. This is not required. The only reason they should be locked is if they are if the player doesn't have enough money for them. So okay, it's fine. Oh, God. Okay, it's fine, whatever, anyway. Let me get back to this. So, I'm gonna move that, I'm pretty sure. Should I? I don't know. Is unlocked. Well, this should always return true. I'll just do this anyway. I'll just comment this out. Yeah, this is fine. This seems to be working as intended. I'll just try this. Alright, cool. This has nothing in it, which is pretty much what I want. This. There we go. I should probably put the price in a little thing next to it, maybe. Or I should do like a minus X or whatever. So I guess this is pretty cool. I'll just have to do maybe I'll make this a little bit look a little nicer, maybe, I don't know. I could make the icons bigger or something. I don't know if I want to redo all the icons, but I might have to, I don't know. Alright, let me just see. Where can I put all this? So I'm tired too, apparently. Let's see. I could do when the mouse enter. That is a signal here, isn't it? Mouse entered. Yeah, and it does pass the button ID, I guess. Oh yeah, that's really nice actually. Cool. Okay. Okay, let me just sip some tea. Now I will get to work doing something. Oh God, why can't I concentrate? Why can't I focus? This is so difficult. It's not even a difficult thing I'm trying to do. I just want to do, okay, so I'm going to have to do a label. How am I going to design that? How am I going to design a label? I could do like this basically, but it would be like lower, and it would only show up sometimes. I'll deal with that later. So it'll just be like a -0. And that would be like fine, right? I'll like keep it somewhat aligned. This might be okay actually. And oops. Alright. So this should be, let's call this minus. Let's set that to hidden by default on mouse entered. We're gonna do get node minus visible equals true. Then the opposite down here. See if this works. It should do. There we are, wonderful. And obviously it crashes when I exit, but that's fine, I don't mind. That's all okay. Let's see. How am I gonna do this? What am I trying to do right now? I'm trying to get the... Is there a way to get the icon? Yes, this is just gonna be the upgrade manager, all upgrades, that, and then this index. So get or upgrade manager dot all upgrades index int button, and then that should be this will get the upgrade dot price, I think, or whatever it was. Upgrade object cost, well, whatever, cost. And what I want to do actually is string that and set get node minus text equals to this, equals a minus plus this rather. There we go. 5's wonderful. So this should be okay. So I guess the cheapest one should be 5, then the next one could be 10, and the last one can be like 20 maybe. Just to keep things a little balanced here. I don't know. Might work okay. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, am I using the wrong stream name? This shouldn't be 22, this should be 23. What am I doing? What is this crazed madman doing? I hope that updates soon enough. Cause, oh wait, it is 22. Oh, okay, I am a crazed madman. Okay. Fine. Okay. Let's see. So damn it, come on. I'll do a sprite underneath this, which should basically just be this again. So I'll just do sprite, just a little icon here. HUD, no, probably on menus, isn't it? Icons, skill point. There we go. I want to see something like this. Is this level? I can't even tell. Doesn't really look like it. Oops, I should not have renamed that. I can't tell. This looks a little better, I think. Like that, and then this like that. There we go. I'll have to see. Oh. Don't know if that's working. Well, it doesn't look like it. I don't know. Maybe it's okay. It doesn't really matter. Like, this is fine. And I guess when pressed, it should... I should do if when mouse entered, if it is activated, I should say. So if not get node upgrades plus button dot disabled, I guess. So that, if that button is not disabled, that means if it is disabled, then it shouldn't do this. Okay. Cool. And then also, wait, no, not disabled, it should be pressed. We need to do pressed. So if it's not pressed, cool. So then I need to do on button down too. Let's set that to false. Just to really, there we go. Let me just see. That works more like what I intended. Except this one does not. It's fine, it doesn't, I mean you can't buy it, so it's fine. Alright. So everything seems to be in order. Okay. Cool. I'll just stop that now. And yeah, cool. So what else do I need to do here? Okay, so each time it's purchased, I need to randomize all the upgrades. So let me just do that real quick. Let's see, let's just put all this into a function. Let's call it like refresh upgrades. Well, actually, let's just do, oops. Let's do refresh availability, actually. I seriously get rid of all this. I did not want to do that. I wanted to copy this. I'll put it up here. Okay. Oh boy, hello Filipino. It's going alright. I'm pretty tired right now. I'm like, yeah, probably should have taken a break after looting there the other day, but I didn't. And it's too late now. So yeah. Oops, didn't mean to do that either. Let me just do, I need to do refresh availability right at the beginning then. Refresh availability, which means I no longer have to do update colors, which is nice. All this. Cool, so this should actually make things a little bit smoother. Alright, cool. So now I can do the upgrade manager. I should do like, let's see. Generate upgrades. I'll just do generate upgrades. Let me just see. So I'll have to set all upgrades to a blank list. Where did you submit your creation? It's on. It's for the compo, so it's on GameJolt. You can find it. I think I put a link in the chat. I don't know if it's still there. Let me just. I'll post it again for you. Where's it? There you go. Oh, come on. There. Okay, sick. So yeah, you can see it there. It's linked on there. Easy peasy. Yeah, cool. You get these ratings in, baby. Give me 5s. Only 5s. Give me a 4. I don't want it. Just give me the 5. Only the 5. Oh, cool. It was a lot of fun and looked really good. There we go. That's my first piece of feedback. That's good. But anyway, yeah, I need to do this generate upgrades thing. I think this is okay now. Oops. Just smacked my microphone. This should be okay. Open my upgrades menu. Explosive rounds. Oh, it didn't refresh everything though. It's not really what I want. I'll try it in this, because maybe if I do this and then I open it again. No, it doesn't seem to want to do that at all. Okay. Well, I'm not actually running generate upgrades though, so that's probably part of it. Let's see, on mouse press, on mouse button down. If I have enough money, manager generate. Oh wait, I should probably put this inside the actual purchase upgrades thing. So purchase upgrade. Let me just, oops, wrong bit of code. Generate upgrades. There we go. Let me just see. There you go. I should probably do a little animation here too, but I'm not doing that right now. It's a little something to show that it is actually changing over. Don't really know what I'm gonna do about that. Okay. Yikes. So let me think. What else do I need to do really? I'll do exit on that. Oh, that just crashes again because it's using an animation that's not accessible. I need to disable this again. So I guess the easy thing to do here would just to set all these collision shapes to, oops, well not all of them, these collision shapes to not even being enabled. Disabled. Oh boy, cool, thanks. Very nice of you. I really like you really like the bolt effect. Well, I did that. It was pretty. Oh boy, hello Reese. The lightning bolt is pretty easy actually. Basically, it was a line 2D, which went from the player to the source, that is called endpoint, and then it would generate a bunch of random points along the line, and then it would just randomize the position of those points slightly. So the line would actually connect, but it would like go through a bunch of these randomized points. The source code is on the Game Jolt page if you want to look through it properly. All the code, I'm pretty sure, is contained within the lightning bolt scene, the lightning scene, or whatever it's called. So there's that. You don't have to worry. But yeah, it's pretty simple. It's not so hard. Yeah, there's a pretty nice implementation there. Looks good too, so I'm probably going to use it in this, honestly, like at some point. It is a very nice looking effect. Alright, let's see. Self-repair homing rounds. These should be the most expensive. This is like a railgun. Let me just go to upgrade menu. I'm pretty sure there's a case switch in here actually. Maybe there shouldn't be. Oh, there isn't. It is all in upgrades manager, is it? The hell is it getting this from? Mouse entered. All upgrades dot fancy name. Oh, okay. Upgrade object fancy name. Okay, let's call this railgun. Let's see. Alright, that should be a little better. I don't know, that's not a big thing. Anyway. Colin at mine, we were at a game con showing Squid Invaders and Melon. Oh, awesome. How did that go? Like, yeah. That's pretty awesome. I saw Colin tweet. He got a melon sticker, which is pretty fun. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Did you have a good time? Oh. Zoomed in too much too. I'll give myself infinite money for a minute. Let's see. Wait, where do I even do this? Oh yeah, I think it's... I think I gotta change the cost too. I'll do the I'll change the cost first before I forget. I have a pretty good idea how to do it. I just have to do new upgrade.cost equals 5. Then cost equals 10. And cost equals 20. And hopefully that would work. Let's see. Let's see, it was good. We got to talk about them on the main stage individually. It was terrifying but an awesome experience. Oh really? That's really cool. That sounds intense, yeah, but yeah, that's so cool. I'm really glad that like you got to do that. That's real sick. That's not even close to infinite money. It is 50, which is, you know, similar. Explosive rounds. Let's see, triple shot, rapid fire, explosive rounds. Oh, explosive rounds again. I shouldn't let it select ones that are already unlocked. That is something I should fix. All the way down here to upgrade manager. Let's see. Ah, cat. Pressing on my keyboard. What am I doing? Oh yeah, so generate upgrades is somewhere. I need to make sure that this can't generate things. Or well, not in active upgrades too, I suppose. Once you purchase it, it goes into active upgrades. Yeah, let's see. Oh, damn cat. Come on, you. You pest. Let's see. Well, not type unique, and not and active, and okay, let's see. New upgrade type in active upgrades. I think this should prevent that from happening, but I could be wrong. Okay, let's see. Oh my, that's not good. Oh no. So that's like ruined everything, which is not so nice. Damn it. Cat's distracting me here. I need to make it so that it won't generate this. It won't decide on a new upgrade type until, or if it's not purchased. So I guess I should just like remove it. Upgrade. I should just do like for iron tier 1 upgrade. Let's see. Then it should just iterate over that, and if upgrade in is equal to I. Wait, I don't need to do this. I can just do if upgrade in tier 1 upgrade. Wait, int. Oh no. Int all upgrades int upgrade dot upgrade type. I think in tier 1 upgrade. Tier 1 upgrade dot remove. I think this takes in a string. I'll have to check actually. I'm just gonna double check on the documentation real quick. Let's do Godot. Oops. Godot. Right, I'm pretty sure you can do like a remove. Or is it erase? Erase is by value. Remove is by index. Okay, so I'll just do erase. Erase this. I can make this an LF. They shouldn't be duplicated between tiers. In tier 2 upgrade. Then do the same thing again. I'll just change this to 2. And somewhere there should be, yeah, 3, same. 3. And 3. And hopefully this won't crash anything. Oops, that will. Okay. Let me see. So hopefully this will still at least generate them. Oh, cat's gone. Boop, boop. Ah, so what does it do now? Okay. Oops, just smacked my microphone again. Let's see. I should do like, instead of, let's see, if I should do if tier upgrade pool dot size is equal to 0, just break, I guess. Just break and don't even do it. Or just like pass. Can I just do this? Wait, how am I gonna represent something that just isn't? Then just don't even try making the type. I'll just do new upgrade type. Wow, this is the earliest I've been up in a while. Oh boy, what time is it for you then? It's like 20 to 12 here. If 20 to 12 is the earliest you've been up in a while, then that's too early. It's way too early. New upgrade type is equal to blank blank. Else, do this crazy business. But either way, it shouldn't crash. Let me just see what happens if the upgrade type is blank. It should be okay. Hopefully, anyway. Yep. Oh, cool. So yeah, it does seem to max out. That's actually pretty nice. Can I just buy all the upgrades? Let me just try that. I'll have to go to inventory. Set my money to about 500. This is way more than anybody could reasonably obtain. Anyway. 20, 20, yep. 10, 10. Hell yeah. Now you have no more anything to do. You can just keep putting your money down though. You can just keep spending those bucks. I should probably do a like if you run out, then it should just default to one upgrade, which you can just keep purchasing. Yeah, that's a pretty good idea. So there'd be like a gold upgrade, or a silver upgrade, or a bronze upgrade. I don't know, something like that though. Cool. Oh boy, YouTube being glitchy for a second. Let's see. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get a drink, and it'll be less time than last time, but I will be right back. And we're back. Oh boy, I got tea. It's great. This time it's not chamomile tea, it's tea that has caffeine in it. For those neurotropic benefits, baby. Okay. So, I forgot what I was even doing. I think everything is okay. I need to... Yes, this works. Sorta. Good enough. Okay, I need to add more upgrades at some point, I guess. But, yeah, either way, that's, like, kind of cool. So it gives you, like, a choice. Or it means you have to choose between which ones. You dig? So, okay. Hopefully, this caffeinated tea will help me focus a little better. So right now, this is working as it should. This is also working as it should, I think. This is not. This is kind of the opposite of what I want. I need to reset this animation. There we go. Okay, let me see. So, again, I'm cheating with a gajillion bullets up here. But that's fine, you know, whatever. Let's see. Railgun. Let's see. I could do, like, difficulty modes at some point. Like, marathon would take you, like... It would take you ages to go. But, like, maybe... Marathon would be the last one. Maybe journey could be the middle, and I don't know. I don't know what the easiest would be. Just ideas, just some random ideas I have. I do need to make ship health like consistent across playthroughs, and also increase it a bit because it's really low right now, I think. But whatever, it's fine. There we go, let's swap to the boss after this round. What's your experience with Steam? I mean, we've released our first PC game this Saturday on itch, and now we're aiming for Steam. Since you already have 2 games on Steam, do you have any advice? Yeah, I don't know. Like it depends. Like, if your itch sale, if you're like your primary, Steam isn't like good for advertising your platform. It's pretty much. It's a little bit better than itch for that, but that's only because there's so much more people using Steam. Like, if you're trying to use these platforms to like get your game noticed, then that's, I would say, like, not a good idea. I need to have other platforms. Like, I have YouTube and Twitter and Reddit. So like, I would be wary of that. Like, I do think that you should release on itch first, because then you can publicize and say, hey, you know, itch released first, it's great. Or you can, like, you know, publicize it a bit based on that merit, kind of. But I think that, like, I don't know, just like, don't get your hopes up, I guess. That's my advice, because like, no marketing won't result in many sales. Like, you might get maybe 5 to 10 is sort of the minimum, I would say, assuming your game looks eye-catching enough. But it's very plausible to get like less than 5 sales on a, you know, on a $2 game which you just didn't publicize. Like, I could imagine that happening, you know. So like, just be cautious, I guess, and don't bet your future on it or anything. But yeah, I guess that's what I had to say. Those are some words. I don't know if they were useful words, but I'm not exactly the arbiter of any sage advice right now. I mean, I had 2 games on Steam, but I wouldn't consider either of them to be exactly financial successes. And so if you're going after a financial success, well, I guess Masochist kind of was, considering other factors, but like, it wouldn't be enough to live on either way. Like, neither of those was enough to live on. Oh well. Let me see. I need to do something now. Oh yeah, I need to make it so the boss doesn't die. The player dies. So let's see. The boss. Let me just go to split. Dude. Add to group enemies, yeah. I could do add to group boss or something. To boss. Don't think that needs to be a group. This is just a way I've thought of it. So let me see. If not enemy in get tree or get nodes in group boss. So hopefully this should prevent that. Let me just test it out a little. Let me just take it for a spin, as it were. There we go. Walk straight to the boss. No lag spike this time, since everything is already properly preloaded. Boop. Love that explosion. It's so big, like fluffy. Oh yeah, I need to die to this guy, don't I? Shouldn't be hard. He does so much damage. Let's see. Maybe I should make this guy stop attacking too. So if he is a boss, then enemy dot chill out. And that'll hopefully make him chill. So he should just stop. If I do a function called chill out, he should stop his action timer. So get node action timer dot stop. He should also sprite.play default. Are there any other timers I need to know about? Bosses split, are they? Just this one. Let's see. Should be okay. Okay, so I guess should pretty much do all of this anyway. So just this kind of thing. And this should work out. Let me just try this one more time. I'll add some like animation maybe or visual effects in a bit. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, also it needs to reset the whole save data, I guess, when you die. At the moment it is not. Oh, I need to stop dying before the thing. I need to remember I only need to die at after I've faced the boss. And right now it's black anyway. You're mourning the death of your last dude. But I guess that's fine. You know, I was planning on making the game like start with the black anyway, because I guess isn't that bad. God, I love these attacks. They look so fun. Oh yeah, I need to die to him. I need to remember what I'm doing at any given point in time, and I'm very good at forgetting. So, let me see. No! Damn it, just hit me. Boop. There. So now he should just do this for all eternity. Alright, cool. This is alright. It looks better when the player's in the center of the screen. I don't know if I should like snap them there. I could do that. I could just snap them to the center of the screen. That probably wouldn't be too bad. I'll see. I basically do the same thing with the whatever, it'll be fine. Let's see. Let's see. I have a record number of 4 viewers right now. That's pretty cool. Let's see. So do I just need to do the same thing with the other boss? Suppose I do. Alright. It's kind of the annoying thing here is that it feels very nebulous what I'm meant to be doing. I don't think I have a very strict plan at the moment. Like what specifically I need to fix or like add to the game, like that kind of thing. Like there's a very loose plans at the moment, and I need to just figure out a way to make them like more solid plans, I suppose. So I guess right now this is kind of like it's a something. I mean, most of these upgrades, all of these upgrades work really. Really, this is like playable. Like theoretically, you could win. I guess it's just there's nowhere to go once you win. Oh yeah, I need to make player health not reset every time. So I guess that would go on to distance manager since it's kind of the same thing. Let's see. I just need to hold all this. So let me just do max health equals distance manager max health. I should do like inventory. Max health equals inventory dot max health. And I am hiccuping right now, but that's fine. Var max health equals 150. Var health equals max health, and that should pretty much run only then. And then when the player, I mean, all the time it should be like setting the health to the same as the inventory health is, or the inventory health should be setting itself like that. Right. Okay. Let's see. Let me just remember what I was even doing. Oh yeah. So now this health should be sort of saved between journeys. So let me just see if that is actually true. If that actually happens. Since there's, you know, it is a case of the player character's ship after all. Oh, I have to actually beat this boss now. Use my trusty chain gun. Let's see. Oops. Okay, this is fine. There we go. Spray this dude with some bullets for a bit. Oh my. There we go. Ah. Surprisingly tense. Here he goes. I have infinite of these like special bullets anyway. So that's good, I suppose. Oh, cool. Time to finish this. Boop. Shoot him with the big laser beam. And he dies. You have found a vision warp, or whatever it is. I had to remove that you have found bit. This bit doesn't really matter. Yep, only gained 1 money. Onwards. Are you kidding me? Did I forget to take damage? I forgot to even take damage. The one thing that I meant to do, I swear. Oh, wait a second. Am I taking way less damage now? What has happened here? I gave myself 150 health, didn't I? That's what I did. I'm an idiot. Okay, whatever. So apparently 150 health is too much to even notice that you're taking damage. So let me just kill this dude again. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. By slowly getting rid of him. Takes a while and I just want to test something, honestly. Alright. Shoots him with the big laser. I need to figure out why everything's like slightly offset. Like that's kind of not so good. Money. Yep. Okay, so yes, health does seem to work like this. This is good. Okay, wonderful. Cool, so let's see. What else do I need to do? I was gonna do something just now, but again, I completely forgot it. It's okay. I'll get it back in a sec. I need to do something. Oh, why is my concentration so bad right now? Oh my god. So like, again, I was gonna do something just now. I just completely forgot what I was gonna do. I think I was gonna put down the player's health because 150 is way too much. Yeah, that's way too much. I'll put it up to maybe 75. That'd be reasonable. But yeah, okay, not 150. Let's see. Trying to work out. I could do the options menu, I guess. It's not very exciting. I could do, are you sure you want to quit? Thing. Don't know if that would be worth it. I might as well do it since I'll have to do it at one point anyway. So, do a new 9 patch. Call it, are you sure? Obviously load in the same theme and everything. Basically it's got to be the same rules as this, doesn't it? Actually just move this, I'll duplicate it and move it up here. And then I'll rename it to are you sure? Make it visible. And why is this below everything? Have I set the Z value? Does it have one? It's a control node, so I guess not. Oh my god. You're loud. I don't understand anything. Shush. Be quiet. You creature of evil. Well, I guess I have to. I don't wanna. Why is this going behind it? It's really weird, actually. Ah, no. Show behind parent was on. That would explain it. Okay, so I'll do a little box, like maybe, I don't know how big. Oops. Center this. Oops, not that way. Maybe like this? Maybe? Yeah, maybe this would be okay. Then I might have to make it a little bit bigger that way, and I'll just do. This should be easy. It should just be. Are you sure? Sure. Center, yeah, and font, custom font. I'm gonna do a small pixel font because I quite like that one. 8. A bit small. I'm gonna do up to 16. Kind of big. Should be fine. Now I'll set the modulate on this to black for now, just so it'll stand out. Or I guess I'll just leave it alone. And I will modulate this after the fact, so are you sure? Let's rename this again. This should be okay, I'm thinking. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So I guess I need to just do that. I'll just do update colors, and then in this I'll just get all the stuff. So I'll do get node are you sure dot self modulate equals new color, but I have to get its child. Are you sure self modulate equals color scheme not base. Oops. Base color. There we go. Are you sure? And then there'll be a yes button and a no button. So this should be invisible if not for that, but for now I'll just do 2 texture buttons. One for yes and one for no. Then I'll put one like this and like that. I should probably wait until I got the textures worked out anyway. But okay, it should be okay, I think. Let's open a surprise and just get that button done. Obviously I'll put in all the logic after the fact. So I'll do onwards. Sure, I'll steal this one. I'll just go for yes. Save it here. Now let me just see the Y here, so I'll just steal that. Should work. I'll do a. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll keep the floor there. And I need to do 3 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess. Oops. Delete this and this and all this. Where's an E? Let's take this. Let's say big thing like that. Looks like about 3, doesn't it? Then that looks like about 2, and this one again looks like about 3. Yeah, looks reasonable. Now the S, same sort of thing. looks like about, could that be 3 or is that 4? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oops, that was a bit overshot. 3, and 2 down, then all the way across, back to this. Now I'll just move all this stuff inwards a little bit to keep it all. Oops, did not mean to take over that little bit there. And yeah, this should be looking pretty good. So I'll just crop it to this area. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's do a crop. There we go. Now we have the texture button for our yes, or the normal texture rather. So menu, buttons, yes. There we go, and I'll implement the logic for that one in a second. For now, however, I must do no. So I'll just do this. Where is an N? Let's get an N. Like, oops, not quite. There we go. An N. Just like this. Move all this other stuff out of the way for a moment. What am I doing? Okay. Pixel here. Pixel here. Then 2 down. Then big line again. Very easy. Then a no, which again is extremely easy. That just appears to be... Actually, we can recycle most of this E. It's pretty convenient. I'll just get rid of this S. This looks like maybe it's too much. Yeah, it should be. No, this is fine actually. Wasn't counting the stuff anyway. It's okay now. Okay. Let me just crop this to this. I'll say this is no. I'll just add the no texture, which we created. Okay. Yes, no. Are these in the correct order? I think usually yes is on this side, isn't it? Don't know if it actually matters or not. Oops. No, yes. Okay. I guess that works. I think I shouldn't have reversed them though. I think they were fine as they were, honestly. Like this is fine. See, are you sure? Yes, no. Okay. So I'll need to modulate these. I should be able to do new color.light in 0.2. Do get node are you sure / yes. Self modulate equals that. Get node are you sure no self modulate equals that. Cool, hopefully this will work. Beautiful. So this has to be hidden by default. This quit button, instead of doing this crazy stuff, should do an animation. So it should do get node animation player play scroll in. So I guess instead of being hidden, they should just be, or instead of explicitly hidden, they should just be placed off screen. I'm going to do an animation player. Let's call it, oops. Let's step back to 0.1 since I'm more comfortable with that. Let's do scroll in, I think I called it. So I'll keyframe this as this thing's position since it has to be here finally. I guess it'll come from off screen. I guess I'll do a little bit of bounce to it too. There we go, something like this. Maybe I could speed this whole thing up a little. Moving it, oh my goodness. This could get a bit intense. There we go. So hopefully this would work. Scroll underscore in. And also disable, it should disable these buttons, so it should do get node play disabled equals true, get node options dot disabled equals true, get node quit dot disabled equals true. Then this way when yes is pressed, or no, well yes would just quit the game, no would have to do something. Okay, so I guess no would have to. Well, yes is going to be the easier one. I know what I have to do. It's just I can't. Okay, get tree dot quit. Then no is going to have to. Well, can I play an animation in reverse? That would be nice. Ooh, can I set playback speed to -1? Or would that not work? Can I do? We'll just say actually. Play backwards. Wow. Scroll in. That'll be pretty fun. And also we'd have to set all this stuff. I'm pretty sure it would look kind of weird because it's all cubic and curves and stuff. But you know, whatever, it'll be fine. Alright, so I also have to make it so that it actually starts immediately. Let me just try this. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that bounce. A pretty good bounce. Okay. Wonderful. So that's quite nice. So what now? Oh yeah, I have to actually program the buttons. So I'll just do mouse entered. It should basically be the same as these, honestly. On mouse entered, on button down, quit button down, and button up, like here. And now also mouse exited. There we go. Now I should just, this should work for the. Oh wait a second, you're accessing the wrong one, aren't you, you dingus? Alright, it's fine. Can replace all this. Not only that, also all this. Haha, didn't you see? I didn't see that coming. Now it should work. There we go. No doesn't have a cool animation. Yes, on the other hand, will just exit, which is fine. Button down. Just copy paste all this stuff for the moment. I can change them afterwards. Button up, but properly this time. Button up. Oops, did not mean to do that. Button up. We see. Now to do mouse entered. Mouse entered. Then mouse exited again. Mouse exited. There you go. Now I just have to change all this stuff to no. I'm just going to use Control C and Control V for this because these are my best friends. There we go. There we go. Alright, sick. Now this should be working. Both of animations. Alright, cool. Probably should do an options menu too at some point. Don't really want to do that now because I've yet to actually make the base game, but you know, that's something to think about. Play button. Don't know. Let's see. Okay. Well, I think actually I'm probably going to work on this on my own for now because my viewership isn't great, and also my throat kind of hurts because of all the speaking. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more live streams and a devlog later today. Hell yeah.